Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be showing you how I made these adorable farmhouse Christmas gift set using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy it and let's get started. I started off my morning by making some coffee and getting more in the mood and of course in the Christmas spirit. To remove the glitter of this sign, I just went ahead and used the sandpaper to sand it down and remove the glitter. And after that, I went ahead and just added primer to all my signs since it is a lot easier to cover the letterings or the details the sign had previously, since sometimes the chalk paint does not cover everything. I just think it's a lot easier and maybe it can help you too. Before I added the ribbon, I just went ahead and sand down the edges of the red and the gray signs so it can look a little more rustic and give it a little more detail to it. I'll be repeating this step with all 3 of the signs. So for the stands, I'll be using the skeleton Halloween home decor that I had from a previous DIY. So I'll just be hot gluing it to the back, and I'll be doing this with all 3 signs. Since my Dollar Tree doesn't really have a lot of Christmas floral to pick out of, I always run to Walmart since I know they always have affordable floral or greenery, and each piece was like 98 cents. And I just went ahead and added a jingle bell and a little mini pine cone to it, and this is what I'll be using to put in the center of the gift sets. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.